I was just having fun with the Insta 360 at the beach. This place is just getting more beautiful and more beautiful. And then I heard about the boat race and the day got even more interesting and something wonderful is happening. Let's see. So this time I was roaming around planet Earth and happened to stumble upon my hometown again. Well, what do you know? Kalda Getta Kuttichavare, spoiled donkey comes to the same place. This is the rock view point at the mouth of the canal. I parked my bike here and went all the way into the jetty. Just take a good look at the boat race that's going to happen. So, okay, if you take a good look at there, you won't be able to see that with our camera.
Too long.
Yeah, it's way too long away. They are practicing for a local boat race. All the fishermen are conducting a race.
This is a selection race.
Okay.
It's a round one, like round one.
Oh, this is a qualification round.
Yeah, qualification round.
The real competition is up on
26.
February 20, March 26th.
Yeah, March 26th.
Yeah, almost less than a week. So
we can
look at that. That's a gigantic bird, man. So consider this a promo video. So guys, these pieces of rocks, they're just a jetty pier into the sea. So there's something like this exactly half a mile down south. On the 26th of March, there's going to be a local boat race, and we're going to be standing over there. Take a closer look at the boat race. This boat race is being held after 20 years, more than actually 2 decades. Even then, it was only sailboats. This is the first time they're using motorized boats, which is diesel boats. The boat race actually starts from here and all the way along the coastline up to the mouth of the canal, and they take a right turn into the sea. And back and come back all the way where they have parked. Please know this is just a qualification round. The main race is on 26th of March. When I went there, it was only the qualification round, and the qualification round rewards was 10,000 rupees, which is somewhere around $120 for universal reference. You guys might be wondering why I'm getting on board this boat, because something unexpected just happened. One of my friend's fishing boat went missing while we were watching the boat race from here. It was tied up around here. That blue boat is the scuba diving boat that my friend uses. That's where my brother Leo works. We don't think it was drifted away by air or water, because it was tied so hard. If it were to drift away like that, it would have ended into the canal or out into the sea. So some of the other fishermen just took a close look right from here, and they saw it parked all the way other side of the shore, right here, all the way up above the waters. Now what we are going to do, we're going to take a friend's fishing boat and take it all the way up to this place, and take that bigger fisher boat, drag it all the way across the shore to this point, and ride the high tide all the way back here. That way we won't fight against the high tide or the wind. This is when I realized I forgot to leave my cell phone back ashore, because smaller boats are wavy and shaky. Nobody brings cell phones while using this boat.
Bro, phone bro.
It's shallow waters.
வரும்போது பெரிய போட் வச்சிருக்கோம்.
நம்மளது பெருசா?
அங்க ஒரு பெரிய போட் இருக்கு. பெரிய போட் தான் ஒரு யாரும் அவுட் விட்டாங்களா? ஆக்குன்னு போயிச்சா?
அங்க இருக்குல?
ஏய் ஏய். ஓ. எப்படா பாத்தீங்க? இப்பதான் பாத்தீங்களா?
நேர் ஆப்போசிட்டா வந்துட்டு இருக்குல.
We reached the other side, guys. இப்படி வரதுக்கு வாய்ப்பே கிடையாது. எப்படி வந்து எப்படி நின்னு
உள்ள ஏத்தி இருக்குது. அவ்வளவு ஹைட் ஏடா வந்துரு போகுது.
இப்பலாம் வாங்கி அத கட்ட உள்ள வந்து Yep, there's a lot of trash around here, because this is like the midway of the Bay of Bengal. The trash people throw into the sea washes up hundreds of kilometers. Some of them just show up here.
சின்ன தலைவன் நான் தலையில் போடு போடு டேய் டேய் ப்ரோ செம்ம அறிவு இதான் அது தடுகுழி.
It seems these holes in between are for purpose.
ஓ கரெக்டாக சொல்கிறீங்க அது.
அப்போ தான் போட் வந்து சைஸே போகும் நேரம் போகும்.
ஓ ரெட்டர் ஓகே ஸோ செம்ம
இதான் தடுகுழி புரியுதா? பிளேஸுக்கு போகிறவங்க இங்கே போடணும்.
குத்தின்னு போவோம்.
இதனால வேலைக்கு
இன்ஃபர்மேஷன்
நிறைய இது பாரு விஷயம்.
கண்டிப்பா.
We are moving towards this point now. Since I'm new to that place, they didn't allow me to push the boat. They treated me like a king. Mostly they cared about my Insta 360.
எனக்கு தெரிஞ்சு யாரோ கிராஸ் பண்ணிட்டு சும்மா யூஸ் பண்ணிட்டு நல்லது வச்சுட்டாங்க. எனக்கு ஸ்டேட்டாக போயிடலாண்ணா. அது தெரிஞ்சு தான் பண்ணணும்ல அது.
ரொம்ப இருக்குதா ஃப்ளோட் எடுத்தாங்க அங்கே போயிடும்.
Okay guys, we're taking a small diversion now. Getting on board that boat again. It's too shaky. My phone is wet but it's alive. Leo, நடுல ஆழமாவா இருக்கும்? There's still this spot that I need to cross. They're still into the water, guys. They're still drifting here and there without a direction. I think the high tide is too heavy now. So the boat owner asked me how much the Insta 360 X3 would cost, and I told him that, and he instantly tied this rope to this selfie stick and tied up a float with it. So if in case middle of the canal, if I tend to drop the Insta 360, then we can find it with this float. So that's quick thinking. I'm honored that he respected my gears like that. I'm a noob. First time I'm meeting him. Ramp it up. So if you're the kind of guy that just go where the day takes you, if you're that kind of guy, tell me down in the comments below. Boat rescue. So guys, how did you like that? We're back again into the dry grounds. All that watching my brother push the boat made me tired. I'm gonna take a quick bite at the Kovalam Blue Flag Beach on Eddy Town Beach.